Swirly just arrived. Good morning, YouTube. This is a Swirly unboxing video. We're gonna see how they come. I just got this yesterday. Thought about making an unbox video. So here we go. You could come in and check it out from there. It's upright. Comes pre-labeled. So let's go ahead. There it is. What an attractive looking machine. I could picture myself already cleaning carpet and tile. Now if you come this way, the locking mechanism. Pull the pin, you adjust to preferred height. Nice. It comes with an inlet valve to adjust flow rate. If you wanted to pour heavy or light. I believe in pre-spraying carpet. I'm definitely going to use this for tile cleaning just to keep the tile moist. I'm going to fill this up. It's a really attractive tank. Very attractive machine overall. If you want to see what the bottom looks like. Here's what the pad driver looks like. I did request a black and blue bristle. You guys probably got too busy and threw one of these in. No big deal. The cord is yellow. Not a big fan of the color yellow either, but whatever gets the job done. Yellow gets really dirty. I've seen yellow cards before, but what can you say? It's a Swirly. They're one of a kind. You could take them apart. You could put them in the back of a car, and they're very flexible. The wheels, you can go upstairs, no problem. A lot of 175s or 165s. This is a 165. A lot of them have wheels that are about half the size of this or less, making it almost impossible to bring up through the door. It's always a pain. But with this one, the pneumatic wheels, can't wait to try it. I got this. I have another 175, but it's a weight stacker, so it's more for marble and restoration. With this, I'm going to make carpet, and I don't believe in CRBs. You always get a better clean with a pad, with a fiber pad. I use 3M pads, and also my stickers that I bought. If you request it, contact Damon or Doug, and they could build you your own stickers. And they're very premium. They have a matte type texture to them. Here's what the motor sticker looks like. In my case, the business is called Finishing Touch. So these are going to be placed right here. Just like so. So imagine that. Imagine your business name. You know, imagine you run out of business cards in the van. I ordered 10 more of these so I could put on all my equipment, for it could look much more uniform. So that's gonna look like this eventually. It's gonna be a very attractive add-on to my equipment. I love it, and Hawk machines are built like a tank. They're the best in the game. So if you guys are interested in a Swirly, contact Damon or contact EncapStore, and they'll get you situated. These are probably the best 165s there is. It's only like 10% slower than a 175. No big deal. It's the sweet spot of RPM. So give them a shot. If you're interested on getting one, it's gonna last you a lifetime. One thing I didn't mention is you do have to use risers with this machine because the wheels are that big. If you don't use a riser, your wheels are going to be touching the floor pretty much. Just wanted to throw that out there.